hits his head all the time. He's got a little knot on his head right now from his fall before.
Go, Braxton, go, baby.
And on the
Look at him
table.
go.
You're so silly.
Yeah, that's your auntie. Yeah, that's auntie. Auntie girl.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, good fun.
Whoa.
Braxton, moo.
Braxton.
What's his middle name?
Lewis.
Did you notice that picture there? He's got the same shirt on as we got on now.
Oh yeah, huh? Yeah, give him to. Thank you.
What a good sister.
Yep, they put him back in the
Put
box.
him back in the play.
Put him back
Put
with
him
the
back in
toys
the
over
toys
there.
over there.
The toy room.
Please.
Yep. Go take him in that room back there with the toys.
Thank you.
Big girl. Recording.
Some of them are in frames. You gotta get all
Come
the
back,
frames
Oliviana.
back there.
Yeah. There you go.
Yep, yep, put him right there.
Put it on there.
Yeah, good job.
Wow, what a big girl. Thank
Grandpa's
you.
rocking too. Grandpa can rock
Video on
too.
emptiness. It's going to be a boring one to watch.
Come on, man.
Braxton, Grandpa can rock too.
Better give him to Grandpa.
Go give him to
No,
Grandpa.
give him to Grandpa so you don't ruin him.
I don't know if she's in there anymore.
Right,
Oh,
there you go.
no.
Yeah, there you go,
What
Bubba.
happened?
Grandpa picked him up.
So funny.
What'd you do with them? Say, Grandpa, where'd you put them?
Yeah.
Where'd you put them,
Up
Grandpa?
on the TV
They're
because
done now,
I don't
baby.
want
We
to
gotta
wreck
go.
them
We gotta
because I
go
gotta get
bye-bye.
them. I gotta get some pictures of you and we gotta get our frames and figure out where we're gonna put our frames on the wall.
Oh, I know where they're going. Right there. I just got to get photos.
Grandma's got frames and I got the frame that Kara gave me. Put some grandkids and
Daddy,
pictures
put your
in.
new picture there with
Yeah.
your old picture.
We got so
up there.
many pictures.
No, it's
Holy
been up
smoke.
there for,
No,
Here.
Paris, new picture.
yeah? My old picture is
That's her graduation.
Oh, no.
It looks like, with them pictures there, it looks like she's the oldest and you guys are the youngest.
Shut up.
Huh?
On the pictures over here with these three,
Kara looks
are these
older.
all
I know because you